Let's continue. Do you have any questions? Any questions? Next one is page layout. The 3D mapping it's not necessary to our work. Illustration means if you wish you can add the picture or shape or icon 3D model smart art such a things. For example, you can choose pictures from your device online. Shape means you can provide any shapes. I will choose some shape here. Based on that shape you can edit your shapes. Just you need to spend a little bit time to working with it. Next illustrations means you can icons. Icon means we need to import from online. So that's one thing, and you can set the smart art. Smart art means look like that's yes, something like this. So you can add your smart art format. Same thing, it's a Word document and Excel document. This both things are the in this smart art things is both are same. Just input your smart art. You can modify your styles. You can add your features. That's based on your purpose. Then you can set the screenshot. So screenshot, you can take a screenshot or you can press the screenshot button. So such a way you can print out the screenshot. That's about the illustrator illustration. Symbols. So symbols means sometime in I hope you use some symbols such as sigma or theta like that symbol. So we need some mathematical symbols. You can import that symbols from this option. You can press the symbol. So then you need to find out. I think this omega. Then if you need a infinity, you can press it out or omega. Just select the cell. Just select your cell in your sheet. Then select your symbol in your symbol tab. Then press insert. It will insert. If I need any pi, I will choose pi. There's a pi. This. So you can insert such a this way. You can sometime you need to search your symbols here because there are all the things are not in ordered. You need to sometime you need to search. So next one is the equation. Equations means it's providing a common equation. For example, here pi r square. That's providing the common equation for our purpose. If you wish, you can choose some of these options. Here it's going to display such a this way. It's not a show into the cell. Okay, so you can set it such a this way, or you can define your own equations. So you need to press this equation option and come to the insert inky equations. I think okay, inky equations. Where is this? Okay, inky equations means actually it's a new thing. You can write down your formula. For example, I need to x equal to x squared. Think about the I, sorry. I will write x squared plus root 3. I will write it down such a this way and you can insert your own formula here. Then when you select this formula button, it's going to create or open new two tabs. One is a shape format and equation. Shape format means you can format your formula text style. For example, I need to set a red color background, fill with the red color, text want to be a white color. So such a things you can set it out into the format option, shape format. In equation, if you want to add some new or symbols or format, you can add here equation symbol. For example, I need a not symbol, greater than symbol, less than that. You can import anything from here. It's all the, I think all the symbols, basic math symbols are in here. If you wish, you can find out the based on these options. If you need operators only, you can press the operators. It's going to provide all the operators in mathematical view. So that's a way. Next one, you can define your function. So for example, need sorry if you need to define some function in such a way, such as this way, slash way, you can select that option and fill this values here. I will type it such as this way. So you can fill this way also. You can choose your all the bracket types, all the sign formula, all the formulas are here. You can choose that formula, use that syntax, and you fill that values. For example, I choose the root. You can fix the, I want to root fifth for 600. So this is the format. They're providing the format. You need to fill your values. That's about the equations. So that is into the about the symbols. Symbols means it's providing a math equations and some symbols. Next is the page layout. Page layout, it's a what other thing, it's into the word. Same thing, it's page layout. Page layout means you need to define the margin, orientation or size. Basically, it's have the A4 sheet. It means A4 means, sorry, letter size is the 8.5 inch into 11 inch. You can change your own page size. Just it's little bit struck. You can define your own page size. I will provide this option, then only you can view the difference between the page size. If I want, I will set the large size page, then it's going to change the large size. Okay, you can simply view this all the difference, and if you wish, you can change the orientation, the landscape, or that's based on your ideas, and margin setup. So you can choose this everything. If you have if you can't press every button and can't change everything, so you can press this, come to this bottom and select this right side corner option, and you can set everything. So you can set orientation or scaling or page size, padding and margin setup, header and footer, sheet styles, everything. Then you can press OK. Then it's everything is predefined through here. So if you need any background, you can set the background also. I will choose something from my PC. Background means it's an image background, like what's that, it's a watermark, such a like that. I need all pictures. Okay, I'll choose this picture. I will insert. So each pages keep this background image. It's a not an image, it's a background image. You can't move or you can't remove this image. It's a background image. So if you wish, you can add the background image. Then you can break the pages. You can view the print preview view. So this view means you can hide or view your header part. Header means it's ABC row and column headers. Next one in this arrange. So arrange means I will zoom this particular things here. I will zoom. Okay, look at this options. Okay, I will set this backfill with the yellow color. Sorry, it's a blue. Then I will add some shapes. With red color. Then I will add some new shape with yellow. Okay, come to the page layout. Here they providing forward, bring backward, such a that things. So bring forward means we need to assign it front of the front. So it means it's a this what's that blue color option is back to the all the icons, right? So I need to bring forward it. I just press this one. If you wish you can press this bring forward every time, so it's come to each by each. If you wish you can press bring to front, it's come through the front. Or if you wish you can send to back, so send to back, or you can send to back through press send to back option. It's through go through the go to end of the position. So select pan means you can select the icon such as this way. We can click, sometime we can access the uh, here we can press some icons here. It means shapes or images object, so that time we can use this select pan. Alignment means that's based on our values, so then you can rotate your images, so everything. I can rotate this thing here such as this way. Okay, so next one is that's about the page layout. So theme about the, if you print out your page, you need some classical theme. If you wish, you can use your theme or color, font styles, and effect. So based on your ideas, mostly we not use these thing into the Excel document. If you wish, you can. So that's all about the page layout. So do you have any questions regarding page layout? You can set the margin setup through here. I already told you, you can press this option, this key, then you come back to this option and you can set the header and everything. You can print, you can view the print preview too. Okay, so any questions?